morning, folks. So just thought I'd do a quick video around packet tracers, Cisco packet tracer, and just very quick and briefly show you how you go ahead and change the host name of a Cisco router in the CLI, which is a command line. It's a very straightforward, very basic method on changing the actual device name. So packet tracer is not an actual live network. It is a simulation which allows you to set up networks and make changes and simulate. Very good for network designing and to design the network prior to going out and actually design it live. So first thing we've got to do here in packet tracer is click on network devices. And obviously, as you see along the bottom here, you have got several different options. You've got routers, switches, hubs, wireless devices, security, WAN emulation. So we're going to go ahead here and we're going to pick the Cisco 1941 and just left click on that and drag that in. So now we have the router on the main screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just click on that, and it'll give us these options here. So what we're going to do is then just click on CLI, and that brings us into the command line of the router. So very simply, just hit no for the first message, and then hit return to get started. And as you can see, the router is currently named as router. So what we need to do is go first of all into executive privilege mode. So first command put in is en. That brings us into the next part of the configuration, and then we need to go and configure the terminal. So command for that is confter, and that then brings us into the highest level of configuration. So command is very straightforward, very simple. Just simply put in host name, do a space, and we're going to name this R1 and press enter. And there we go, that's it. The name of the router is now been changed to R1. If anybody does need any router configuration done on a Cisco router or even a Cisco switch, just give me a shout and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you, now.